The rich get richer and the poor get poorer. This saying has been around since biblical times, but it doesn't stop people from trying to become rich or attempting to amass wealth. However, while being rich may seem like an impossible goal, it is easier than you think. All you need to do is commit yourself to take the steps outlined in this video to get there. Here are 8 reasons why getting rich is easy and how you can do it too. Number 1. The world belongs to you. If you want to get rich, you have to believe that the world belongs to you. That means having the confidence to take risks, seize opportunities, and go after what you want. Of course, it also means being willing to work hard and hustle. But if you truly believe that the world is yours for the taking, then anything is possible. There is no right or wrong way to do it. With all of the books, experts, gurus, courses, and seminars out there on how to make money online, there are literally 1,000 different ways to try. The only thing that matters is finding one strategy that works for you and sticking with it. Number 2. Wealth goes where it's appreciated. When it comes to wealth, it's important to remember that it goes where it's appreciated. If you don't appreciate your wealth, it will eventually leave you. That's why it's so important to be grateful for what you have and to show your appreciation through your actions. Some people may not notice how much they're loved or valued until they've lost their partner or best friend, which can make them feel like they're not worth anything at all. Make sure you show your loved ones how much they mean to you every day by being kind and attentive. Spend time with those who are close to you and say "I love you" as often as possible. Giving thanks for the abundance in your life is also a great way to show gratitude. So start each morning with a prayer of thanksgiving or stop periodically throughout the day to offer up gratitude prayers too. Finally, share some of your good fortunes with others in need too. Giving back feels good, and there are a lot of ways to do this. Number 3. Money can't buy you happiness, but it can make your life easier. While it's true that money can't buy happiness, it can make your life a lot easier. With money, you can travel, buy nice things, and not have to worry about working long hours just to make ends meet. Money allows you to invest in yourself by doing things like taking classes or investing in a career or business of your choice. Money allows you to give back by volunteering, donating, or paying for someone else's meal at the grocery store without any hesitation. In this way, it makes the world a better place. Money provides security. What would happen if you lost your job? If you had enough money saved up, this would not be an issue. The more time and energy we spend trying to get rich quick, the less time we have left over to focus on what really matters: our relationships with others, and we could end up losing them altogether because of our greed. Number 4. Money makes people, and relationships, more relaxed. We all know that money can't buy happiness, but it can sure make life a lot easier and more relaxed. When you're financially secure, you don't have to worry about putting food on the table. That gives you a lot more time and energy to focus on other things, like your relationships. In fact, there are studies that show that richer people are less likely to divorce than those who are poorer. For example, one study found that there is a 40% higher probability of divorce among couples in the lowest income quartile compared with couples in the highest income quartile. Not only does money keep your relationship happier, but it also has been shown to lengthen marriages by as much as 2 years. So if you're still single, this might be one of the best reasons to get rich. You'll have a better chance of meeting someone special when you have money and independence. Number 5. You don't need money to start. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a lot of money to start a business. In fact, there are plenty of successful businesses that started with very little. All you need is a great idea and the drive to see it through. If you have an idea for a product or service, go ahead and give it a shot, but don't be discouraged if things take longer than expected. The important thing is to keep going even when times get tough. Keep your eyes on the prize. The next time someone tells you that your dreams are too expensive or out of reach, show them this post. There are so many resources available today that can help you make your dream a reality. Now, more than ever before, anyone can become rich. The internet has made it possible for entrepreneurs to launch their online stores and sell products around the world. With some research, time, hard work, and luck, you could be living your dreams in no time at all. Number 6. It's never been easier to invest. There are so many opportunities to invest your money and grow it these days. With the internet, you can find a wealth of information on how to make your money work for you. You can also get started with very little money. If you start investing in stocks, it doesn't matter how much money you invest. If you put your mind to it and follow a plan, you can get rich. There are companies that do all of the work for you, so all you have to do is sit back and relax while they pay off. The best part about getting rich by investing in stocks is that it has never been easier or cheaper to get started. Below I will list some other benefits of getting rich by investing in stocks. With stock market, there are no limits on what you can achieve financially. You can create passive income. You will learn skills such as patience and discipline. Investing helps lower risks associated with emergencies or life changes. Number 7. AI is replacing people. With the rise of artificial intelligence, many jobs that have traditionally been done by people are now being done by machines. This trend is only going to continue, which means that there will be fewer and fewer opportunities for people to earn a living. We need to take control over our lives and start generating income in other ways so we can stop worrying about what could happen if something goes wrong with our job. Jobs lost to automation statistics for 2022 show that the world will lose 85 million positions. That'll be in the wake of companies adopting smart machines, which will take over a massive portion of roles. One of the countries where jobs affected by automation are highest could very well be China. In fact, it is the country that has experienced the highest level of manufacturing. 14 million robots now exist along its production lines. Number 8. You can work from anywhere. One of the great things about entrepreneurship is that you can work from anywhere. Whether you're running a dropshipping business from your home or working on the next big app from a coffee shop, all you need is a laptop and an internet connection. This flexibility can make it easier to fit work into your life, rather than the other way around. In addition, with no boss telling you what to do and when you have total control over your time. That means making up for lost time spent in traffic or at meetings by doing some extra work later in the day or catching up with friends after dinner instead of talking before bed. For example, some people can finish their work early and then get a jump start on something else without feeling like they're wasting time. Others use the fresh eyes approach to problem solving by tackling one issue right after another, because they don't feel as worn out. The point is, you should figure out what works best for you and capitalize on it so that you can be successful. Now, for those who made it to the end of the video, I have a question for you. If you would have $1 million right now, what would you do? Share your answers in the comments below, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next video, future millionaires.